Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today, something a bit different. I appreciate it's not a BMW, but I promise you I will be back with BMW and Mini content as soon as possible. But today we're going to be working on my daily driver, which is a Tesla Model 3. So yeah, if you have one, feel free to follow along. But we're going to be replacing the wiper blades with OEM Bosch that I've picked up from Amazon. I'll pop a link in the description down below, and also pop a link up here on the screen now so you can follow along. Obviously a lot cheaper, so it's an easy job to do. There's no need to go to a dealer to do it. So here's clarification on what you need. So it's an A871S Bosch Aero Twin pack, which is 26" by 19", the same as Tesla. This is what you need. So in order to carry this out, we are going to just pop into service and then scroll down, and you'll see wiper service mode, which is just here. And I don't know if you notice, but the wipers, I'll just do that again, go up and down like that, so then you can get to them. So what we'll do now is we'll pop out to the front of the car, and then we will go ahead and replace them. Right, so first thing to do is to push in the little button, and then with your other hand push out away from the wiper arm itself. Give it a bit of a wiggle, and be very careful when putting the wiper arm down, just to avoid cracking the windscreen. It can happen. And then to put the wiper back on again, it's the exact reverse. It can be a bit tricky because you need to slide it back in, and it's quite tight, but just keep wiggling it back and use a bit of force there, and it should then pop back into place. So next we'll move on to the near side, so that's passenger side. That's a 19" blade, so we're just going to do the same again. Just press the button and wiggle it out. It's a bit easier to handle with the smaller blade there, but just make sure that you check sizes before trying to install. So then you can see me here just sliding it back in again. This side was a bit easier. As I say, the smaller blade does help. I was doing it one-handed here just to hold the camera. With two hands it is a lot easier. Pop straight back in again, make sure that's all securely fit and snug, and then we can go back into the car. So straight back into service mode again. Service, and then we're going to just turn wiper service mode off. Sorry about the focus there. And there we go. So what we can do now is just quickly test it. Perfect, brilliant, all done.